Okay. That is with 12 rounds. We will reload it and see what happens next. Next test. My street has a gentle incline, so we will ride into there, see how well we can actually ride the scooter while operating, of course. No real targets to speak of, but you know, you steer by leaning, so that inherently there's only so many sharp turns you can make, but this is all going to be all about balance. As you can tell, I can only shoot so far in front of me. And brake. Now, as a demonstration, we have the blaster portion, the handle. If I can actually push that in. Separated from the scooter itself, so there is no longer a vehicle. And let's fire at an angle and just see what happens. As you can tell, there is a limit to the range in this. Once we open it up, we can see exactly how much current we're feeding, or lack thereof. And here we go. Obviously, I'm slightly tall for this scooter because it's meant for kids, but let's aim for my truck. Do a drive-by. Here is where we show I'm not used to scooters working like this. I'm used to having handlebars that you turn and a front wheel that turns along with them. This scooter, you lean into it and it turns that way. Okay, here we have our scooter again. We have both of our clips. It'll still run regardless of whether darts are loaded, but can kind of get it to run with just one clip. Really, it's meant to have both clips sitting in here, and if you accidentally get the placement right, it'll run with just the left one. But the way the safety is designed, you're supposed to have both of them in there for it to run, so assume that's the normal. Now, next part. Other clips. Okay. Infamous drum. Okay. Fits in there, but doesn't really want to engage the magazine lock. Just out of interest, let's try the other side. Doesn't really. Actually, that's worse than the other side. It doesn't even want to catch. Let's try some of the other ones we have. Hyperfire drum. And again, doesn't really want to catch. 18 rounder. Doesn't really want to catch. This will be an issue. Yep. It looks like the slots for the magazine release are just a bit off compared to the 6-round clips that come with it. So that's going to be an issue getting things to catch properly. Yeah, that's not good.